How to change name in Twitch. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to change email and ways to change your name in Twitch. So to do this, you need to go ahead and open up your browser and then you need to log in into a Twitch account. When you're logged in, you need to go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right inside corner of your screen. So once you're logged into your account, press the profile icon from the top right inside corner of your screen. Press the profile icon one more time. And at the bottom you can find this option as settings. As you go to the settings, you can find settings underneath profile and all that info. Scroll down a bit, you can find profile settings. Underneath you can see you could go ahead and change your identification details, username, bio, whatever. Now you cannot change your display name, which means this is gonna be permanent once you create your account. So you could also see there is this option that says customize capitalization for your username. You could go ahead and change your username, or you could go ahead and change your name. So to change it, press the pencil shape icon right over here. Go ahead and type in the new one. Click the save button or update button at the bottom. This is going to send you the verification code or some sort of confirmation. You need to go ahead and confirm that, and with that you'll have successfully changed your username. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.